Hello guys, this is a video that I heard from the comments and I loved that idea and I actually really agree with you. Thank you if you are watching this video. This video is made in a room. You can say it's a medium-sized room. It doesn't have much echo. The door is closed and we're in a closed environment and in a medium-sized room, okay? And I will make videos, the same video like this with the same music, but outside so you can hear the difference. And I will make a video like this, which in a very big room, like your living room, okay? Of course, there aren't any effects turned on, everything is closed, and I only use the equalizer, which now it's closed, okay? Okay guys, I put the phone in a actual distance that you could be in when you listen to music. 50% volume right now. Now it's facing more of this way. Sorry. Okay, so you can get the results that you want. I'm going to now put it from again from the start, but this time at almost 70 to 80% volume. Okay, let's start it. Okay guys, so this was almost 80 to 70% volume. Now I'm gonna put it on 100. Okay guys, if you can see, he's obviously here and see, I don't know what. It's really loud, okay? Like, I feel like I'm screaming right now. And I can't hear myself when it's on 100% volume. Now I'm gonna let it cool down a bit because, oh, it's not very that warm, but it's warm on here, okay? I'm going to let it chill for 5 minutes. We'll try another song. Okay guys, now I'm going to put this song in slowed because now you can hear the voice, how deep and clean it sounds. That's why I select this, because when you don't own a speaker like for much time, you won't really know some songs that really is the place that it shines. So I'm going to put this song at 50%, okay?
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with a local tugs. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got a poker touch, where we grew up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, oh nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap, I'm still on my own, I'm home alone, I'm always poking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the gate's still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way, I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impacted distractions, so we all lose focus. I think out loud, what comes out my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm solid. Soon come out with a custom clothing. Fuck's it, you must be joking. Sids outside in a cup patrolling. How did they know about the ins and outs? Somebody must have told them. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with a local tugs. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got a poker touch.
Okay guys, now I think it's time to test out the area where this speaker really, I believe it shines, to the 70 and 80% volume. Okay guys, I'm going to start the song from the start so you can hear the difference.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut through with the local tugs. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it raw and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up, it's so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, my boys poking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the game's still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging Corbin. Dropped off the porch and went my own way, no way I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impacted distractions, so we all lose focus. I think out loud, what comes out my mouth, I can't control it. Live yours on a chain, I'm soulless. Soon come out with a custom clothing. Fuck's sake, you must be joking. Sid's outside of the cup controlling. How did they know about the ins and outs? Somebody must have told them. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut through with the local tugs. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it raw and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up, it's so corrupt.
Okay guys, now I think it's time to put it on 100% volume. I'm going to continue the song because it's kinda repeating itself.
Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, my boys poking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the game's still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. See, don't do no throw that trap, say yo to the local cat. See me on the road all black, my foot on the gas and I won't fall back. Bro been in the jail and he won't go back. I fought bare hoes and he ain't all that. I'm missing the clue and I won't fall back. It's time now I find me a wife. More time I don't have no time, but I wouldn't mind me a Leon man. Treat her right, I try, find no things in life was bad. Wanna wine and dine, that's fine. If we go uptown, gotta hold that. Wanna fly Dubai tonight, last minute they'll come, I'll book that flight. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut through with the local tugs. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it raw and I showed him love. Little bro got the poker touch, where we grow up, it's so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap I stay on my own, I'm home alone, my boys poking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the game's still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving.
Okay guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want me to play any songs again, I would love to. Comment me the songs that you want me to try. I don't really care about copyright because this music that I put just right now is copyrighted. I don't get any money from YouTube right now, so I don't really care. Tell me what you want and I will put it, just so you know. Thank you for watching.